Hey there, tubers, it's Ethan here today, and I filmed that air conditioner over there, but now it's time to film these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 air conditioners. That one is completely iced up. I may have to tell someone to cut that one off, but here's one right here. That one just kicked off, but here's this one. This one is a 3 tons of 2014. This one is a 3 tons of 2015. This one is a 3 tons of 2013. Yeah, this one is definitely a 2013 engine. That one over there just kicked off. But yeah, this one's completely falling apart. Yep. Alright, so here's this one. And this one is a 3 ton 2014. Alright, here's the one that's iced up. This one's making compressor noises. Pretty obvious. This one's probably gonna get replaced. But see, that is solid ice right there. That is completely iced up. I think it's iced up all the way back to the compressor. Yeah. This one is a 3 tons of 2015 iced up. I think it's here the noises it's making. Let me show you. Yep, it's making a lot of compressor noise. Yeah, the whole bottom of the compressor is iced up on this one. Here's this one. This one is completely rusted out. So, that one just has a blanket of ice all over the compressor. This one is a 3 tons of 2013. You can see that. Even the Goodman badge fell off. Look at that. So, those are 6 Goodman air conditioners from 2013 and 14 and 16. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Ethan out.